So it's proof that Africa is rewriting the nuclear playbook. So it's a very good opportunity for private sector. Hello, my name is Francis Agar. I'm a nuclear engineering consultant at the BRICS Youth Energy Agency. I'm going to be moderating one of the panels on nuclear generation in Africa, its progress and prospects at Enlit Africa. There are quite a number of opportunities that are emerging with the microreactors for off-grid mining, the small modular reactors that are being adopted for data centers. We have nuclear-heated industries that are coming up. Traditionally, we've thought of nuclear being state-led initiatives, but now we're seeing a lot of opportunities for private sector. So it's proof that Africa is rewriting the nuclear playbook. So it's a very good opportunity for private sector. I'm hoping that something that can be built on. Nuclear is the decarbonization that is supposed to happen in order for us to be able to adhere to all these bilateral ties that we've been making with the Paris Accord and all this, means that we have to do a lot of decarbonization, right? The only option that we have to do decarbonization of meeting the water, energy, and food nexus is only nuclear. And we have to understand that the amelioration of the effects of anthropogenic climate change is going to be an energy-intensive process. So in order to not exacerbate climate change, we have to consider the nuclear option. So as Africans with a growing population, nuclear has to be part of the conversation. So right now, as we speak, the generative AI revolution that is sweeping across the world is the one opportunity we have to improve the lives of our people. Google recently launched its AI playbook, where it talked about an increase year on end of about 30 billion USD per African country. That's going to happen if regenerative AI is built into our economies. Regenerative AI is going to require vast amounts of electricity, and all this has to be decarbonized. So nuclear has to be the only option in this specific field.
Interesting. So while several African countries are forging ahead with the development of nuclear power plants, what are your concerns in terms of our readiness to become nuclear power producers?
Yes, AI has made us think that AI is going to replace human beings, but that's not going to happen. It's going to be human beings who are equipped with AI who are going to replace other human beings. This is going to require a total retraining of the technical personnel, and this is something that has to happen now. Because an example I can give is myself. It takes about 10 to 12 years to train a nuclear engineer. To train nuclear engineers equipped with AI for 2035, we have to start now. I think in this case, it has to be South Africa that has to really step up, because it's the only country that has been operating nuclear plants for quite a while. And compared to other African countries, you can draw a correlation. The African country that has access to nuclear power is the one where you see a lot more prosperity. You compare a town like Bloemfontein, just a couple of minutes north of Cape Town. If you compare the income by proximity to a nuclear plant and think of an area that is farthest from a nuclear plant, you won't be able to see that. So nuclear is a defined path, a proven path towards prosperity, low carbon, and prosperity for everyone. So yeah, travel to South Africa and see for yourself. So come and join us at Cape Town International Conference Center from 20th to 22nd May. Hope to see you there.